our quiz and let's get you comfortable within the Excel environment. So the first question, what is the B icon used for? So we have 4 choices in the multiple choice: to italicize a cell's content, to create a page layout, C, to bold the cell's contents, D, to create a tab color. So let's come up to the B icon across the top in our tab, and we're going to hover our mouse over that B icon. And it tells me that it says make your text bold. So the answer to question number 1 is C, to bold the cell's contents. So I'm going to highlight that, and that's going to be our answer. So let's go on to the next one. Number 2, what operator is used for division in Excel for a formula? We have front slash, which is definitely the division. We have the plus, we have the asterisk, which is multiplication, and we have the minus, which is subtraction. So the answer in this case is A, and I'm going to show you what the formula looks like. So I'm going to come over to this worksheet, and what I've done is I have put in cell A3 the number 40. What I put in cell B3 is the number 10. So by creating a formula using the front slash, I said equals A3 divided by B3. And when I press enter on my keyboard, the answer is 4. So it's the front slash that is used for division. So I'm going to highlight that guy, and that's the correct answer. So let's go to number 3. Number 3, a keyboard shortcut that copies a cell. We have A, Control plus the letter V. B, Alt plus the letter C. C is Control plus the letter C. D, Alt plus the letter V. So if you come up across the top to our Home tab and hover your mouse over the copy, it says Control plus C is the correct keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to select the answer is C, and we're going to go on to number 4. What are the steps to rename a worksheet first? So the first thing you do is double click your mouse on the sheet tab, enter the new worksheet name, and press enter on your keyboard. So let's come down and double click our mouse on the sheet, enter a worksheet name. I'm going to just give it my sheet, and then press enter on my keyboard. So the correct answer is A. Double click your mouse on the sheet tab, enter the new worksheet name, and press enter on your keyboard. Number 5, to print your worksheet. A, select the page layout tab and choose print and then enter. So let's look at the page layout and see if there is a print icon in here. There's a print area but not a print, so A is not the correct answer. B, select the file tab, choose print, and then select the print icon to print your worksheet. So let's select the file, and we have the print icon, and if we select that, it will allow us to print. So the answer B is the correct answer. Number 6, to insert a row in your worksheet. A, you go to the Review tab and choose Insert a Row. So if we come up to the Review tab, I do not see anything that says insert row, so that's not the correct answer. B says the insert tab on the ribbon. So let's go to the insert tab, and it says choose format row. And I don't see anything that says format row, so that's not the right answer. C, select file, options, new row. So if I come up to file tab and come down to options, there's nothing that says new row. D, Home tab, insert icon, choose insert sheet row. Insert icon, insert sheet row. So let's come to Home tab, over to the insert icon, and when I do, insert sheet row is the correct answer. So I'm going to highlight D because that's the correct answer. We're going to go on to number 7. Number 7 says Microsoft Excel is A, spreadsheet program, B, word processor, C, computer program. D, photo editor. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. So the answer is A. Number 8, the format commands are located on what tab? They are located on the Home tab. So if you're on the Home tab, you'll notice that all of the formatting of the fonts and the alignment, the numbers, conditional formatting, and styles are all located in A, the Home tab. Number 9, in Excel, a worksheet columns are located by. So if I look at a column, the column has headers with letters. So if I'm selecting, for example, these letters, it selects the column. So the answer is B, letters. Number 10, in Excel, rows are located by A, numbers. So let's come over to the left-hand side. And if I left-click on a number, it selects the row. So the answer is numbers, and that is the correct answer for the row numbers. So I'm going to highlight that, and that's correct. So each one of those was valued at 10 points, and you should have gotten 100 if you went along with me. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Look for more of my Excel quizzes that I'm going to be doing in the next day or two. If you like what I have to say, subscribe. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to do a lesson, if you want me to show you something that you haven't learned or you'd like to learn. And peace out.